If someone had told me that I'll be using ChatGPT now, I'll think they're insulting me. I was basically forced to use ChatGPT. Hey guys, welcome to Anything Content. My name is Naomi Salami, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe so that you can be getting new creator tips, content marketing tips, anything content that I can help you with. Today we'll be talking about how to use ChatGPT for content writing the right way, the ethical way. The way I have seen some people use ChatGPT for content writing, I'm like, you're basically just copying and pasting. Don't even get me started. So I'll give you some steps of how I use ChatGPT to effectively research for things when it comes to writing an article. First step, when you tell ChatGPT to give you source material for something, for example, 10 best restaurants in Lagos, and it gives you the list. Tell it to give you the sources where it got that list from, because at the end of the day, it's still AI. It was gotten from searches, Google, Bing, wherever it sourced it out from. So you can tell it to give you the sources where it got it from. And if it can't give you the sources, you might have to search that out on your own, because you can't just be working on something that ChatGPT gave you without actually making your findings. It is not ethical. Yeah. The reason why I use ChatGPT for stuff like this is because I have discovered that it is faster. It took a long while for me to get here, but it is faster if you tell it to give it the sources and where you can go to the site to check out this information. But yeah, second step, use specific keywords. The masters of ChatGPT are the ones that knows how to type the exact prompt for it to give you the right thing. For example, let's use the restaurants that I gave. If you are looking for 10 best restaurants and you, in your mind, you want it to be mostly on the mainland, but you just put 10 best restaurants in Lagos, it's going to go all over the place and it might not be specific. You can tell ChatGPT to give you 10 best restaurants in Lagos on the mainland with 4-star ratings. That way, it's going to narrow it down for you so that when you're doing your personal research, it makes things a whole lot easier. Next step, proofread the article. Yes, you heard me. I know some of you, yes, you that's watching this video, you might be so tired. You might be like, oh my God, I don't want to go through this whole stress of writing this article. You know what? ChatGPT just gave me 1,500 word article. I am watching you. But in that case, if you do that, which I do not advise, again, please proofread your article. It's still artificial intelligence. It's not human. So you still have to go through everything. That's how I used to know people that used to go to AI to write something. I'm not supposed to be telling you this, but I just want to help you out. But yeah, proofread anything ChatGPT gives you and fact check it as well. You have been warned. Now the final step. Oh God, I'm not supposed to let you guys in on this one. Now this last step, only use it when you're pushed to the wall. You've got a deadline. You're feeling ill. You're not in the mood, but you have to deliver. That is where you should use this, because again, this video is on how to use ChatGPT in an ethical way and not to be a copy and paste ninja. Yeah. So this next step, or this last step, is to use paraphrasing tools. Basically, they're also grammatical and spell checker tools. They are Quillbots, right? Sonic AI, Humanize AI.pro, even Grammarly. These tools can help you paraphrase sentences, set the tone, make it clear, make it pass the message that you want to pass across so it looks more human and it's not obvious that it was written by AI. At least, please don't do this if you did 100% AI work. Yes, I'm talking to you. Don't do this. But this is just to help make things easier for a lot of us, because content writers are trying. It's a whole lot of work and sometimes we need a break. So these tools kind of help you with paraphrasing, making it sound more human, even if it's not articles, short text, LinkedIn posts and stuff like that. Yeah. So I wasn't supposed to give you guys this last step because it's not really ethical, but well, it's a helpful tip and I hope you use it wisely. So that's it, guys. These are the 4 steps to help you use ChatGPT to write content the right way. Hopefully this video has been educative, informative, and interesting as the previous one. And hopefully the next one will be the same too. Yeah, so I had recorded this video before, but when I went back to check my camera, it wasn't recording at all, no space. So please guys, subscribe, and share this video to anyone in need, because I have suffered. I have really suffered. And if this video has touched a life, especially your life, yes, you? Please drop it in the comment section and let me know anything you might want to know. It could be content creation, it could be content writing, yeah, anything under content marketing. Just let me know. And even if I don't know it, we're gonna do research. Anyway, guys, so that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.